Hello, it is standard student. Today we are going to solve the practice set of lesson 12 equation of a one variable question number 2. Previously we solved the question number 1. Here sub question is given. First sub question is 17p minus 2 is equal to 14,9. So solve this equation and find out the value of the p. For that we are taking here minus 2, its opposite number is a plus 2, adding on the both sides because the equation gets balanced for that. So to eliminate this minus 2, we are adding this plus 2 on the both sides. Therefore minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. We will get it is 17p remain here, and here is 49 plus 2, that is a 51. This p 17 is multiplied to the p, so by changing the side from left hand to the right hand, the opposite operation we are taking here, the multiplication goes to the division. So 17 ones are, 17 threes are, therefore we will get the value of p is equal to 3. We will get the value of p is equal to 3. Then the second, 2m plus 7 is equal to 9. To solve this, again we are using the same method, subtract 7 from both sides so that the equation get balanced. 2m plus 7, here is a minus 7, 9, also this will get subtracted. So minus 7 plus 7 get eliminated, we will get 9 minus 7, that is a 2. 2 is multiplied, so it will get divided. 2 1 are, 2 1 are, so only the 1 remains. So we will get the value of m is equal to 1. In this way, we are solving the similar examples. Example number 3. I am writing here 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4. So here, firstly we are eliminating the left hand side terms. So to eliminate the 12, we are subtracting 12 on the both sides. So 3x plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 4 and minus 12. Therefore, this get eliminated, only the 3x remain. Here is the 2x minus 4 and minus 12. Both are having same sign, so it will get added. It is a 16. 12 plus 4, it is the 16. Then this x and this x. To find out the value, we are subtracting the minus 2x from both sides. Subtract. Therefore, here we will get 3x minus 2x and 2x minus 16 minus 2x. So 2x get eliminated. From 3x minus 2x, only the 1x remain. 1 is not returned. So we will get the value of x is equal to minus 16. That is the solution of that. Then the fourth question. 5 in bracket x minus 3 is equal to 3 in bracket x plus 2. So firstly we are removing the bracket by multiplying. So here we multiply. To solve the bracket, we are multiplying each term in the bracket by a common number. This 5 into x, it is a 5x. Then 5 into 3, that is minus 15. 3 into x, it is a 3x. And 3 plus 3 into 2, that is a 6. Then we are adding minus 15 on both sides. Therefore 5x minus 15, that is a plus 15. 3x plus 6 plus 15. Minus 15 plus 15 gone. So 5x is equal to 3x plus 15 plus 21, this is a 21. Therefore, We want to eliminate this term, so subtract 3x from both sides. So 5x minus 3x, and here is the 3x plus 21 minus 3x. So 3x get eliminated. So 5 minus 3, that is a 2. X is equal to 21. So we get the value of x is equal to 21 by 2. Then take 9x plus 1, 9x divided by 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. So here we want to eliminate this plus 1, so subtract 1 on both sides. 9x divided by 8, here is the plus 1 minus 1, here is the 10 minus 1, minus 1 gets subtracted. Therefore 9x upon 8 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So 10 minus 1, that is a 9. Then this 8 is multiplied, divided here, so it will get multiplied. Therefore it is a 9 into the 8. It is divided, so the opposite operation, that is a multiplication. Then this 9 is multiplied, so it will get divided. Then it will change the side. So 9 gone. Here we will get x is equal to 8. The value of x is equal to 8. Then sixth one. Y plus 7, y upon 7 plus y minus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 2. To solve it, we are multiplying by the LCM. The LCM is the 7 and 3. LCM of 7 and 3 is at 21. So we will get here 21. So for 21 here we were multiplying by 3. Here for 21 we are multiplied by 7, and means only the left hand side LCM we had taken here. So it is a 3 into 1, 3y plus 7 in bracket, because it is a bracket for y minus 4, because there are two terms, divided by the LCM, that is a 21 is equal to 2. Then we are solving the bracket. Here 3y remain as it is. This 7 multiplied to the both terms, means 7 into y, 7y, and 7 into 4, that is 7 4s are 21, divided by 21 is equal to 2. This 21 is here. After changing the sign, it will become multiplied. Okay. So we are adding these two, 7y plus 3y. These are like terms, so their addition is the 10y. 3 plus 7, that is 10y. Minus 21 remain, 28 remain as it is, and this 21 multiplies to the 2. So 10y minus 28 remain as it is, 21 into 2, that is a 42. Then 10y, this minus 28 we are adding on the both sides, or transferring from one side to the another side. The sign of this term get changed. It is a 10y is equal to 42. 42 plus 28. The summation of the 42 and 28 is a 70. Y is equal to 70. This is divided to the y. So 10 1, 10 7 are. Therefore, we get the solution y is equal to 7. So we are finding out the value of y is equal to 7. Then similar questions we are solving. Student, we will try to solve this type of example. The next I am taking here the 8. What is given the 8? 7th example. What is given here? 13x minus 5 is equal to 3 upon 2. So again we are adding 5 on both sides to eliminate this y minus 5. Therefore 13x minus 5 plus 5, and here is a 3 upon 2 plus 5. So 5 get eliminated, here 13x, and here again the LCM is the 2, so 3 remain as it is, and for 2 we are multiplying it by a 2. So 5 into 2, that is the plus 10. Then we are taking the sum of these both, 10 plus 3, that is 13 on 2. Therefore we will get 13x is equal to 13 upon 2. 13 upon 2. So here this 2 comes on this side, so it will get multiplied to the 13x is equal to 13. Then 13 into 2, that is the 26x is equal to 13. This 26 goes on this side, it will get divided. So by division we will get the value of x is equal to 1 by 2. So we are finding out the value of x is equal to 1 upon 2. Then the next sum of the same question. Here the equation 3y plus 8 is equal to 10 y minus 4 plus 8. So to solve it, again we are using the same method. Firstly, which terms are eliminated, we are finding out it. So here we are going to eliminate this plus 8. So we are subtracting, or firstly we solve the brackets. 3 into y, that is the 3y. Then 3 also multiplied to this 8. To solve the bracket is this 3 is multiplied to each term. 3 into y, 3y. 3 into 8, that is the 24. Then 10 into y, that is the 10y. And then 10 into minus 4, that is the 10 into 4, it is the 40, and plus 8. Then 3y plus 24 remain as it is. Here we are taking these 2's. There are different signs, so there will be a subtraction of a 40 minus 8. It is a 32. The higher number sign is a minus 32. Then we want to find out the another value. So we are eliminating here minus 32. So add 32 on both sides. So 3y plus 24 plus 32 is equal to 10y minus 32 plus 32. Minus 32 plus 32 get cancelled. The value is 0. So here we will get 3y plus, we are adding this to this, addition of both is a 56, means 4 plus 2, and it is a 56 is equal to 10y, is equal to 10y. So we want to find out the value of this. So 10y remains as it is. These 3 go on the side, it will become when they are changing the sign will get changed, and 56 remain as it is with the plus sign. With plus sign we are not writing here. Therefore 56, 10y minus 3y, that is so both are like terms. So here we are subtracting this coefficient. 10 minus 3, 7y. Here 7 is a multiplying. So by changing the sign it will get divided. We will get the value of y is equal to 7, 8 are. Therefore y's value is a 8. So y is equal to 8 is our solution. Then we are solving the next 9th sum. I write here 9th sum. Total given here x minus 9 divided by x minus 5 is equal to 5 upon 7. In this type of example, we are taking the cross multiplication of the terms with 7 in bracket x minus 9. Here we are making the bracket because there are 2 terms, and 5, there is also the x minus 5. Then multiplying to each term inside the bracket 7 into x, that is 7x, minus 7 into 9, 7 table up to 9, that is 9 7s are 63. Then 5 into x, that is 5x, 5 into 5 minus 20. Then we want to eliminate this 63, so we are adding the 63 or transferring 63 on that side, it will become a plus, so 5x minus 25 and it is a plus 63. So the sum of it is equal to 5x 63 minus 25, means here is a 5, 8, here is a 3, and higher number sign is the plus. Then by transforming this on this side, means 7x, this 5x goes on the left hand side, it will change the sign, is equal to what? 38, is equal to what? 38. Then 7x minus 5x, it are like terms, so their subtraction is the 2x is equal to 38. This 2 is multiplied here, by changing the side it will get divided, so we will get the value of the x is equal to minus 19. So we solve the 9 sum. Then the 10 sum we are solving here. 10 sum I am writing here the 10 sum y minus 4 divided by 3y is equal to 4. Here up to all sides we are multiplying by 3, multiply by 3 on the both sides. Therefore here y minus 4 into multiply by 3, then 3y also get multiplied by 3 and 4 is also multiplied by 3. Here 3 get divided, so here only the y minus 4. Here 3 into 3, that is 9y, and 4 into 3, that is a 12. Then the next solution, y and this 9y both are like terms, so they get added. 9 plus 1, that is a 10y, minus 4 remain as it is, 12 is here. Then this minus 4 goes on that side, here the 10y, 12, this will become a plus. Then it is a 16 now. Sum of it is what? 16. So this 10 goes on this side, it will get divided. Then we are dividing it by 2 to 8r and 2 5r. Therefore we will get value of y is equal to 8 upon 5. Then we are solving the 11th sum. B plus in bracket b plus 1 plus in bracket b plus 2 divided by 4 is equal to 21. So this 4 is divided, so it will get multiplied by changing the sign. So 21 into a 4, the multiplication is a 84. The multiplication is the 84. Then we are solving the bracket of the right hand, left hand side. B bracket get solved here. Plus b plus 2 is equal to 84. There are 3 times the b, so it are like terms, so their sum is a plus 3. This 2 plus 1 is a plus 3 is equal to 84. Then this 3 goes on that side, it will get subtracted from the 84. Then 3b is equal to 81. Then these 3 get divided, so dividation is equal to 27. So we will get the value of b is equal to 27. So we solve all the exercise. The question number 2 of the 12.1. The next exercise we will solve in the next